Hey, what's up, world? Welcome to the Excellence Language Facilitating Center, and today we're talking about American treatments. Okay, so treatments in English are, we're going to have MR, which means what? Mr. MRS means Mrs. MS means Miss. Okay, so the first thing that you have to learn is you have to use the treatment plus the last name. Okay? So it's not correct to use the treatment and the first name. No, we would have to use the last name. Of course, Mr. is for men and boys. Mrs. is used for women, mature women over 30, or married women. And Miss is used for unmarried women or under 30. Here's an example. There are two ways of saying it. You could say here, Mr. Stephen Gomez with the first and last name, or you can just say Mr. Gomez. It is incorrect to say Mr. Stephen. That doesn't work. Okay? So it's Mr. Stephen Gomez or Mr. Gomez. With women, a married woman would be Mrs. So same thing. We would say Mrs. Julia Adams. Right? With the first and last name. First and surname, or you could say Mrs. Adams, okay, with the surname here. So it is incorrect to say Mrs. Julia. It would be Mrs. Adams or Mrs. Julia Adams. This is Amanda Adams, which would be the daughter. She is not married, and the treatment would be Miss Amanda Adams or Miss Adams, unmarried woman. Okay, so the rules are as follows. We're gonna use Mr. for men and boys, Mrs. for married women over the age of 30, So whether the woman is married or not, if she's over 30, you can treat her as a Mrs. That's correct. And Miss, we're going to use Miss with unmarried women and under 30 years old. Okay? So if they're under 30 years old, you can call them Miss.
Like teenagers, we always use
Miss would be proper. And here's another one, Ms. with a Z sound. If we don't know the name or the age of the woman. If you don't know the name or the age, Ms. would be the term. Other treatments for gentlemen, for men are sir, right? Sir. And for women, mature women, you would say ma'am. And for young women, miss. So to give you some examples, we would say thank you, sir, thank you, ma'am, or thank you, miss. My pleasure, sir, my pleasure, ma'am, my pleasure, miss. Don't mention it, sir, don't mention it, ma'am, and don't mention it, miss.
But when we use the last
Correct?
three, we never use the name.
No, we don't use the name, so it would be in response. Good question. So here we would say sir, ma'am, and miss in response.
Okay.
Yeah, we can also use sir, ma'am, and miss when we don't know the name of the name or the age of the person. Okay, so there you go. So the treatments are Mr. for men and boys, Mrs. for women, married women or over the age of 30, Miss, unmarried women, not married, and below 30 years old. So there you go. Those are the treatments. Hope you use them well. Thanks for watching.